Sa episode na to, mag-iikot-ikot tayo ng Legazpi City. Medyo nahihiya na naman si Mount Mayon pero ira-ride natin ang isa sa pinaka-bagong motorsiklo ng Royal Enfield. Classic, powerful, sakto, at meron tayong launch na gagawin. Available na ang Royal Enfield dito sa Bicol Region. Tara, mag-party kasama ang mga Oragon na tropa. Chance to Good morning mga parts. We are a bit early. So konti pa lang yung mga dumadaan. Good morning. Cruising through the streets of Legazpi with the all-new Royal Enfield Classic 650. Classic look, modern performance, smooth, powerful, at swak na swak for riders na gusto ng style at yung may substance ng power. Pataas! Ano ginagawa niyan dito? What? R34! And now, finally, nandito na siya. Available na for Bicolan riders sa New Nemer Legazpi. Perfect para sa bawat coastal curve at city street ng Albay. At syempre, andyan si Mayon. Medyo shy nga lang, hiding behind the clouds, while the city of Legazpi spreads beautifully beneath her. Truly, a perfect ride in a perfect place. That's Mount Mayon. That's Chong. So we are somewhere papuntang Manito. Manito. I don't know what or how to pronounce it. Pero we are having a short ride. That's the view of Legazpi City. Galing kami doon kahapon. That's Linion Hill sa side na yon. And obviously si Mount Mayon nahihiya na naman. Ayan. That's SM, and then LCC, doon kami naka-check-in sa may area na yun, LCC. So that's the Bay Area. This is a great view ng city. Ayan, so masama na naman ang panahon. Medyo inuulan kami ng konti, pero we are just having a good time or great time riding with this bike. And this is another bike from Royal Enfield na bago. This is the Classic 650. Ayan, kita nyo naman, chrome kung chrome. Nice. Sige. Tara, lunch na kami. Peñaranda Park. Wow, bago na parang flat na siya. Tagal kong di nakapunta dito. That's City Hall. That's Provincial Hall. As I cruise to the streets, napapangiti ako. Kasi dati, I was just walking here. No bikes, no cameras, just me. Starting my career, full of dreams, full of questions, and full of opportunities. Every step then was a quiet reflection, a promise to keep moving forward. Ang daming alaala, ang daming aral. And now, riding back, I can't help but feel grateful. Same street, same city, pero ibang journey. Proof that sometimes, the road you take, no matter how slow at first, leads exactly where you're meant to be. Sir Jason, thank you so much for your time. We have another Jason. Jason Delbar. Okay, the manager for our MCO department. Jason, where are you, brother? There you go. And we have here from Royal Enfield Philippines, we have Mr. John Chosa Mendoza. And we have here John Carl Murphy. Yung mga bagong guests po natin na dumarating, so pa-register na lang po. We will be starting shortly ng ating event. Good evening everyone. Hello, good evening. So my name is Jet again. Welcome to the launch of Royal Enfield Legaspi. So thank you so much again for our guests na mga pumunta dito. Especially medyo challenging weather natin. Thank you, pumunta pa rin kayo. We have Mr. John that will be discussing the new bikes from Royal Enfield. Test ride ng iba kanina. And also we'll be having fun raffle and of course food that we prepared for you. So this is a multi-brand outlet of Thank Lights para nilililiman. Kung sa Bicol, nilulong naman. Bakit wala akong Tagalog na Tagalog? Marino maging po sa ito guys. So born and raised here. Ano yung concept ng multi-brand outlet? We already know that the market or demand for big bikes are growing nationwide. So dito sa Bicol, specifically dito sa Legazpi, it's a good opportunity for us to expand our network with this multi-brand outlet ng Royal Enfield. So kung makikita nyo, even this new Nemar is a multi-brand store. So on a regular basis, this offers regular bikes din po. So may mga Japanese dito. And we have this corner from Royal Enfield which offer the 3S. Kung ano pa yung ino-offer sa Manila. Same po dito. So we have the sales, we have the service, and spare parts. So we have here new models. Napakita po namin. Those bikes, ni-ride po namin from Manila papunta dito. On-road and off-road. It's a really capable bike. Even tinawid, mamaya may photo, tinawid po namin yan tinawid namin yan ng riles ng tren. Mula Ginyangan hanggang Tagkawayan. So buti pa kami mahulog sa riles ng tren. Royal Enfield Philippines, pasensya na. Same naman yung bike. Nakarating naman. On Thursday, kasama ng Bagyo. Okay, let's enjoy the night. That's the concept of the multi-brand outlet. Later, Mr. John Mendoza will be saying about more details about this bike. Ipapaubaya ko na sa kanya. But for now, let's enjoy. We have foods prepared for you guys. So it's a great opportunity for us to be here and celebrate with you. Oh, number 27, pinakahuli, Mr. Ralph Eric. Yeah, Mr. Ralph. Mr. Ralph is the test ride kanina ng Bears Experience Classes. Magdadang-benot na lang. Diba? Ay, sakto, Ralph! Sabi, pagkakapalakpak pa. Ano dapat? Akala ko nung una, hindi. Dapat yun, okay.
Ay, maraming salamat po para sa sa pag-attend po na dito sa aming event ng Royal Enfield. Lalo-lalo na kina Ma'am G na parating nandito si Melissa, si Sir Oliver, tapos sa inyo din po, mga grupo ng mga riders po. Maraming salamat po. Kung may mga po kayo, reach out lang po kayo dito po sa aming branch. Madali naman po kaming lapitan at kausapin kung may mga kailangan po kayong sales, service, and spare part ng mga motor.
Attorney! Ay! Ayaw! Attorney, sabay-sabay nyo na, number 6. Sa Lilianes.
Huh?
Number 6 ka, sama na isahan. Yeah, okay. Again, Mr. Sally Lilianes, nalalo ka?
Wala pa ako nito.
Mike! The Grand Lodge of Royal Enfield here in Bicol, celebrating with our fellow rider friends from all over the region. Okay, we're good? We're good? Yeah, we're Great food, awesome music, and syempre, the best part, camaraderie with people who share the same passion for the open road. Some talks, some laughs, and of course, great bikes. Thank you so much everyone. Have a nice trip pa uwi. Have a safe trip pa uwi. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Sa totoo lang, it's not just an event. It's a celebration of riding community here in Bicol. Diyos mabalos sa Indogabos. Alright mga pards, it's been a long day. So, yeah, we have here Baltog, Nanjong, Hanjong, and Bantong. So these are the datos of Legazpi. So it's been a long day. A very productive one. Medyo maulan at medyo ngayon nga umaambon pa. But yeah, in general, we had a great day. So thank you so much again Royal Enfield Philippines for the experience of this bike. Tomorrow, biyahe na naman ulit papunta ng Manila. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel para updated kayo sa mga videos at adventures natin. That's it for today mga parts. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video natin today. At lagi natin tatandaan, hilig man sa kotse o sa motor, bakit ka pa pipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both.